Hello, it's Sean, and this is how I'm bracing the Ecto 1 while I attach its little air tanks. Of course, I'll need my pencil case and blue highlighter so I can actually list what's been assembled. So let's see if I can do this on site here. So we know it's part 13, which goes along the front. So let's hope that these holes have been drilled out enough that they can actually take apart. Well, so far so good. At least I think. That was a satisfying snap. Good. Now, should be able to access the inner side here. Right along there. Excellent. Good. That's good. Okay. So that's one piece. That is piece 13 has been assembled. So now you put part 14 right next to it. So we're just going to prop it up like this again so that the angle can work correctly. Kind of like that. And then carefully slice off part 14. So